For the prince. Black boys, hold on, we coming, baby. Black boys, hold on, we coming. And I'm your history teacher. I'm your Pan-African studies professor. Oh, yes. Because that is the zestiest thing I heard all year. I hope that wasn't a man who just said that. I'm going to hope and pray. I'm going to hope and pray that wasn't a man. Somebody please tell me that wasn't a man who said that. Please, I hope that's a sister. You sending 10 cents, huh? Bitch ass. You Negroes are so weak-backed. Y'all complain over everything, cry over everything. Somebody got tissue in the toilet, didn't even flush it. Contractors, brothers and sisters, these are brand new toilets. Brand new toilets, and this is what they do. Brand new toilets, and this is what they do. Off the hook. Off the hook. Brand new toilets. That don't even belong in the toilet. This is insane. They know it. The social media know-it-alls. They know everything. Built nothing, know everything. The social media know-it-alls. Built nothing, know everything. Mess my toilets up like this. This is crazy. This don't belong in here. Letting stuff fall all in my toilets. This is insane. Absolutely insane. I forgot to get the bleach. I'm gonna have to do a couple rounds of this. Somebody let paint get in the toilet. My paint team let the paint fall in the toilet. Look at that. Let the paint fall in the toilet and didn't even get it out. Look at that. They let the paint fall in the toilet and didn't even clean the paint out the toilet. Brand new toilet. Man. My goodness. Let paint fall in the toilet and didn't even clean it out. That is insane. That's a damn shame. I need a rag. But before I do that, the paint team let the paint fall in the toilet and didn't even wipe it out. Oh, Lord have mercy. We don't need a plumber. The plumbing is fine. We just got to clean. Here we go with the know-it-alls. Know everything, built nothing. Plumbing already been repaired and everything else. Ain't nothing wrong with the plumbing. Some bleach and some bathroom cleaner. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
I'm going to show you what we're talking about.
Later. Black queens forever. Snow bunnies never. Anyway, brothers and sisters, we got to get back to Pan-Africanism. We got to get back to black unity and black solidarity. We got to get back to do for self. Whoever let that paint drop in my toilet bowl and didn't even clean it out, I'm very upset at you. Whoever from the paint day let that paint drop into these brand new toilets and didn't even take it out. Lord have mercy. We need to see if we can get some lids on these toilets too. Do we need some lids on the toilets, brothers and sisters, or do industrial toilets not come with toilet lid? What do y'all think? Do we need some toilet lids? I want some lids. I don't want stuff falling in these toilets because ain't nobody gonna take it out. Do we need toilet lids, or do industrial toilets don't have lids, brothers and sisters? Do industrial toilets not have lids, brothers and sisters? Paint on the lid again. Just fucking my toilets all up. That look much better. We're going to give it a round two. We're going to give it a round two later, brothers and sisters. We're going to give it a round two. Where my beautiful African queens at? Where are my beautiful African queens at? Much better, much better, much better. We getting there, much better. I should have been flushing these toilets more often too. I gotta put one of them blue things up in there. Okay, we getting there, we getting there, we getting there. Had to clean my toilets up. Ain't nobody gonna do it for me but me. I sprayed the handle. That's a big deal to you, ain't it? That's a real big deal. I could tell you don't do shit for the community. Only an idiot to make a big deal out of that. Complete jackass. Complete jackass. Oh, he sprayed the handle. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. That's a big deal, ain't it? Whoop-de-fucking-doo. Black queens forever. Snow bunnies never. They got paint on my toilet. They couldn't even make sure they didn't put paint on the toilets. Brand new toilets. Wow. I'm just now realizing this. Y'all got paint on the brand new toilets. Didn't even wipe the paint off. Ain't nothing wrong with me washing toilets. There you go, making a big deal out of nothing again. Dr. Umar washing toilets. That's national news, huh? That's national news. I'm cleaning toilets in the school I'm building. That's a big deal, ain't it? Goofy ass Negroes. Oh, he's washing toilets. He shouldn't be washing toilets. That's a problem. He's washing toilets. Oh my God. Dr. Umar shouldn't be washing toilets. We have to do something. What's wrong with me washing toilets? Didn't Black Jesus say the greatest amongst you shall be your servant? Didn't Black Jesus say the greatest amongst you shall be your servant? Where my Christian Africans at? Where my Pan-African Christian at? Didn't Jesus say the greatest amongst you? And they complaining. Anything just to have something to talk about. On Sunday, I clean toilets for our children. On Sunday, I clean the toilets in the future school for our children. And on Sunday, you worship white Christ. Who should be talked about? Me or you? Not all my Christians worship white Christ, though. I'm just being sarcastic. Some of my Christian family recognize that Christ was an African. See, they got paint on the toilet. One of my paint day people got paint on the toilet. Brand new toilets. They got paint on the toilet, didn't even wipe it off. Same thing in the other toilet. I don't mind cleaning. I have no problem cleaning, brothers and sisters. Somebody dropped paint on the lid. My goodness, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with us? Look at this. Look at this. More paint on. Look at this. You put paint on brand new toilets. Paint on brand new toilets. Didn't even wipe it off. Look at this. Somebody must have been a hater on the paint day team. Somebody must have been a hater on the paint day team. He said it's not clean at all. Yeah, I could tell you ain't got no life.
Everything got to get cleaned several times. This is just the first one. I know y'all make a big deal out of it. Y'all can't help yourself. Post-traumatic slavery disease. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. I'll do the Clorox on the second round, my sister. This is the first round. Let's just get some of this done right now. This is the first round. That's all. This is the first round. Why am I cleaning the toilet? I'm not even going to answer no dumbass question like that. I'm not even going to answer no dumbass question like that. Why is he cleaning the toilet? That's the dumbest question I heard all day. I swear I need to start giving out special ed evaluations again. I need to start giving out free special ed evaluations. I don't need a scouring pad. I know what I'm doing. Mess my damn bathroom up. These self-hating Negroes, ancestors, could we have done better? Ancestors, could we have done better? Why did y'all choose me? Why did y'all choose Ifatunde Oguntade? Ancestors, why didn't y'all just let me be another bourgeoisie Negro? Why did you make me the realest Pan-Africanist of the 20s? Why did you do this to me? Why did you make me a Garveyite Pan-Africanist? Ancestors, why did you make me a Garveyite Pan-Africanist? I didn't ask for this, did I? Why did y'all choose King Kong? Ancestors, why did you choose King Kong for this? Ancestors, why did you choose King Kong? Why me, ancestors? Why me, ancestors? Look, they got paint in my sink, ancestors. Brand new sinks, they got paint in them. You mean to tell me you painting and you can't wipe the paint out the sink so it don't dry? But my brother said I can use paint remover, so I'm going to use the paint remover. My brother said I could use paint remover, so I'm going to use the paint remover. It's all good. We not going to cry, we multiply. We not going to cry, we multiply. Oh, ancestors, why hast thou forsaken Ifatunde? Why hast thou forsaken Ifatunde? Why was I the chosen one? Why was I the chosen one, ancestors? Ancestors, why y'all choose me, ancestors? Y'all could have got anybody. Y'all chose Ifatunde. Why did you do that, ancestors? You need to see some bleaching rags, huh? Too bad I don't live to please you, my queen. And I'm sure you ain't donated $1 to this project. So we don't care what you need to see. Cool it with all that moaning. I hope that wasn't a man who said that. Please let that be a queen who said that. Please let that be a queen who said that. Can somebody tell me if that was a queen? I can't tell. I hope it wasn't a man who said that. Because that is the zestiest thing I heard all year. I hope that wasn't a man who just said that. I'm going to hope and pray. I'm going to hope and pray that wasn't a man. Somebody please tell me that wasn't a man who said that. Please. I hope that's a sister. I hope that was a sister who said, stop all that moaning. Please tell me that was a queen. Please tell me that was an empress. Please tell me that was a goddess. Don't tell me that was a man who just said that, because that is the zestiest thing I heard all year. That is the zestiest thing. Please tell me that wasn't a woman. Please tell me that wasn't a man. Please. Somebody, please. Please tell me. That's not even a joke. I can't even laugh at that. I can't even laugh at that. That's insane. This is why we need the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. This is why we need the Frederick Douglass and Marcus Garvey Academy, brothers and sisters. This is why. This is why I've been sacrificing the last 10 years of my life to do this. 5 years for the fundraiser, 5 years for the renovations. This is why I've been sacrificing the last 10 years of my life. 5 years for the fundraiser, 5 years for the renovations, brothers and sisters. That's exactly why. I can't believe he said that. I can't believe he said that. Maybe that's a woman and she just got her brother or son's picture on her profile. Maybe that was a woman and she just got her brother or her son's picture on the profile. Maybe that's a woman and she just got her brother or her nephew or her godson's picture on the profile. Please tell me no man of African descent said that. Please tell me no man of African descent. Please tell me no man of African descent would have said something so zesty. Brothers and sisters, we must do better. Brothers and sisters, we got to do. This is why we building a school. You know what, Mr. Zesty? I'm going to thank you because you have just re-energized me into building the first independent Pan-Africanist institution in American history funded by the African diaspora to begin operation in a traditional school building, not a church, not a basement, not a home, not a storefront, but a real school. We're the first to do it. You just re-energized me, Mr. Zest. Thank you, Mr. Zesty. Thank you, sir. That right there, that pathetic statement you made has just re-energized the prince. You just re-energized the most requested black scholar in the world. You just re-energized me. I need some tissue to do the mirrors. I need some tissue to do the mirrors. I want to shine up the mirrors, brothers and sisters. I want to shine up the mirrors. Oh, yes.